we wake, hear the birds and see the sun. Side by side our fears are done. Oh, the good times just begun. Oh, we know what we have, let's hold on tight. Found what we're looking for in life. Call us crazy, but things are finally right. With you and I, the future is bright. Oh, you and I, we got it. Oh, we don't need no more. Even in the hard time, you and I can weather any storm.
What was that? We are on our way, and I am super excited. As you've probably seen from the thumbnail, you already know that we are going to the Treehouse Yurt. We originally had booked the regular Yurt because the Treehouse Yurt was all booked up, but I kept checking back to see if they had any cancellations, and then they happened to have one that was right on my birthday. So we canceled the other one, and Donnie reserved the one for my birthday, which today is not my birthday, tomorrow's my birthday, but we're headed there now, and it was about 3 hours? 3-hour drive, and it's on Jungle Road. Donnie was just singing, so I was trying to catch him on film, but he stopped. Close. We are, what, 20 minutes? Well, a half an hour away, and we're getting there a little early. Getting there about 1:30. Check-in is at 3, but he said that we could go earlier because, how many acres is it? 30. It's 30 acres, and there's several different Airbnbs on this whole 30 acres. And you can rent Segways or golf carts and a bunch of other stuff. There's, what are those called? Are those emus? No, not emu. Is it emus? Emus. Maybe it is emus. No, there's another thing. I don't know. There's some animals there and stuff. So we're gonna. I know. I saw that. I forget what it was called. But yeah, we're gonna go there early, and then we're gonna take the time before we go to the actual treehouse to check out the grounds and everything. We're here. Now we got to get the secret code. We're in. Took a little sleuth work on my behalf to figure out what the code was. He's going back out there to close the gate up. And we're gonna go find our treehouse. I'm so excited. Oh my God. There it is. What? Stop. I'm nervous. Gotta go up a rickety old sketchy elevator. Look at this space. Oh my God. It's gonna look way cool at night. Here. It's gonna be cold tonight though. This is a hot tub. We're gonna get that tonight. jet engine is what this is made out of.
Thing's huge.
That is a beast. Okay. What's this down here? Oh, this is the elevator. Oh my god, this is the elevator. I'm scared. Where's the button?
Open the door.
Oh gosh. Whatever it is. I'm scared. Oh, I'm scared. What? Oh god. Oh god. What's the weight limit on this? Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh look, there's stairs. It's not the only way up. Wow. There's the golf cart. What is it? Oh, ashtray. Look at this. Look at this. We're gonna go inside in a minute. Let's go up here. Please only throw trash in bags down chute. Oh, that's cool. Trash chute. Go on up, honey. Oh, it's inside the yurt. This is a tree house. I told you. I told you so.
That's pretty cool.
Oh look, is that a donkey? Donkey! What do you think is a donkey? Oh, we're gonna have to get on the golf cart and go explore. A little swing in action. Oh, I could live like Swiss Family Robinsons. Hell yeah. Okay, you guys ready to go see inside? I'm ready to go see inside. Oh, look, there's a skylight up top there. Oh, it's gonna be fun. This is the garbage chute. Wait, don't look without me! You're cheating. You guys ready? Isn't that crazy? Where's the bed?
Bed's right here.
Oh, it's a murky bed. Yep.
There it is.
Oh, look at parrots tonight, honey. This is so cool. Dan and Deborah. That was an
It's not real true.
Got your turlet. Got the little bidet. That's a plus. Let's see how this goes. Oh, where's the water coming from? Oh, there it is. That was gonna come from there. What? Oh, yeah, we didn't bring any food or anything. Got some soaps though and some shampoos. Some live edge countertops here. Little vessel sink. Coffee maker, toaster, fancy little lights. Got some dish soap, utensils, cups and all the things utensil. Microwave and a fridge. Ooh, that's some frozen fridgeness. About a 40-inch flat screen TV, internet and direct TV, exit, emergency window, bed, elevator, dining area. Oh, at least we got some crackers. Some Mentos. This. No, it's all in Chinese, so I'm not sure. Bug wipes, some fire starters. We're gonna have a fire tonight. AC, but it's gonna be cold. There's no heat, honey. You gonna heat me Oh, we're in a tree. A yurt in a tree. We went down to the general store, which is a
Restaurant, bar, arcade,
restaurant, bar, arcade,
hardware store, grocery store, and bait shop.
bait shop. Yeah, all in one. So,
With a ton of craft beers.
oh yeah. I just got, you know, Mick Ultra. And he got, I don't remember what he got, some citrusy thing. But I got me a shepherd's pie. It's a little scary. What'd you get?
I get the meatloaf sandwich.
Oh, the meatloaf sandwich and some fries.
Nice good meatloaf.
So we're gonna eat. So we are going to head into the hot tub right now. It is getting chilly. Looks like I'm naked. Looks like I'm naked. I'm not. I got my bathing suit on, but I'm cold. So I'm gonna put my jacket on until Donnie's ready. And then we're gonna head downstairs and go in the hot tub. Take the elevator down. Gotta bring it back up. Oh, it takes forever. Good grief. It's so shaky. Going down. Oh God. Oh, look, it's a hawk. Trying to get the squirrel.
It's nature for you.
You have arrived at your next destination. Can't wait till the solar lights come on.
Yeah. Oh, I want to get another one.
Hey Google, turn the lights on. Nice. Hey Google, play country music.
Alright, here's a Spotify playlist called Country's Greatest Hits.
It's like perfect temperature.
Woo! Is it? Hot? Hot? I'm getting in. Ooh. Oh, this is good.
Before I sleep, hear the crickets, see the moon, side by side and through. No limit to what we can do. Oh, we know what we have, let's hold on tight. Found what we're looking for in life. Call us crazy, but things are finally right. With you and I, the future is bright. Oh, you and I, we got it.
So that is it. We are leaving the treehouse. It is our final goodbye. Hope you guys enjoyed coming with us along on my little birthday trip to the treehouse. But we're going down now. See you guys next time. Bye.